The Hands Free Hectare set out to farm 1 hectare of land entirely autonomously without drivers on the seats or agronomists on the ground. The purpose of this was to sort of challenge perception of automation in agriculture. You say that tractors are going to drive themselves shortly and people don't believe you, so we wanted to show it was possible and that it was something that the big corporate companies should be doing now and be something available to farmers. The project was a feasibility study and quite a unique way of doing that. We actually used all off-the-shelf technology, so everything we used you could have used yourself, and that revolved around the open source autopilot of a drone. So we equipped our tractor and our combine harvester with this autopilot so they could autonomously navigate, and we also used drones and a ground rover for our agronomy. So in total, the tractor and all the automation equipment was £30,000, just less than, which I guess translates to $50,000, maybe slightly more. And that again kind of shows that a small automated tractor is scalable. You could have 10 automated tractors for the same price as 1 large automated tractor and get all the benefits that we talk about from that. Automated agriculture has so many possibilities, from increased resolution of precision farming down to smaller, lighter vehicles that are kinder on the soil, but at the same time that's perfectly scalable, and the systems we see out there just already appearing today are on weed-it sprayers, so a task that's quite repetitive and not particularly complex is already happening.